Hello and welcome back to Gardening with Heart. Today I'm going to be planting my free trees. These trees are from Arbor Day Foundation, and if you go to Arbor Day Foundation and website and fill out a little questionnaire, they will send you 10 free trees. Which include 2 crepe myrtles, 5 flowering dogwoods, and also 5 eastern redbuds. When they come, they will be ready to plant as bare root trees. What that means is that there will be no soil around them, so you soak them in water as you saw, and then you go straight into the ground. Now, because we live in South Louisiana, we did have to make a little box and form up some soil simply to keep the roots out of the water when it rains. This is native soil to our yard, so we did build it up and then simply separate the individual trees. They are marked, so you can tell which ones are the crepe myrtles, the redbuds, and the dogwoods. And then you simply have the bare root stem, place it down, and put the dirt back around. It's also very important to know that when you do get bare root trees, you don't use any fertilizer. Just the native soil in ground is best. And there you have it, a planted tree. Now, due to my health condition, I was only able to plant one of these trees. Fortunately, my husband is wonderful and he planted all of the other ones, but it was just rinse and repeat of what you saw here. Thank you so much for watching.